Student, today we will discuss about the connective tissue. As the name suggests, connective means connect the various body parts. Connective tissue is specialized to connect the various body organs. It can connect the bone to bone, muscles to bone, or bind tissues and give support to the various parts of the body by forming a packing around organs. Cells of the connective tissue are loosely spaced. They are loosely spaced and are living cell and embedded in the intracellular matrix. Matrix may be jelly-like substance or may be fluid or may be dense or rigid. In animal, connective tissue are of 5 types. First is areolar loose connective tissue. They have the loose cell. Air space is present between them. These are the loose and cellular connective tissue and consist of the two kind of the fibers. White collagen fibers and yellow elastic fiber. They act as a supporting and packing tissue. It acts as a supporting and packing tissue between organs lying in the body cavity. They are found between the skin and muscles, around blood vessels and nerves, and in the bone marrow. It helps in the repair of the tissues. Next is dense regular connective tissue. Dense. It is fibrous connective tissue having densely packed. These are the dense cell. These are densely packed collections of the fibers and the cells. It is the principal component of the tendon and ligaments. Tendon and ligaments. Tendon. Tendon are the strong and non-flexible and join muscles to the bone. These joins the muscles to the bone and they are strong and non-flexible. While ligament, they joins the bone with the bone at the joint and they are elastic and flexible. Tendon, it is formed of the white fibrous connective tissue. Ligament consists of the yellow fibrous connective tissue. Next is adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. This tissue is an aggregation of the fat cells or adipocytes. Adipocytes or fat cells are present in the adipose tissue. Fat cells are rounded or oval shaped. It serves as a fat reservoir. It stores the fat and keep the visceral organ in position, forming shock absorbing cushion. It acts as a shock absorbing cushion around kidneys and eyeballs. Fat storing adipose tissue is found below the skin and between the internal organs. The cells of these tissues are filled with the fat globules and storage of the fat acts as an insulator. Skeletal tissue. Skeletal or supporting tissue includes cartilage and the bone, which forms the endoskeleton of the vertebrate body and protect the vital organ of the body. It is of two types, cartilage and the bone. Skeletal tissue is of two types, cartilage and the bone. Cartilage are soft and flexible. Cartilage are soft and flexible and bone are hard and non-flexible. Cartilage is present in the ear and trachea and nose. It is soft and highly flexible, but bone are very hard and non-flexible. Blood vessels are absent in the cartilage, but in bone blood vessels are present. Matrix is made up of the proteins and sugar, but in the bone, matrix is made up of the proteins and some mineral salts like calcium, phosphorus, etc. A narrow cavity always absent in the cartilage, but a narrow cavity is always present in the bones in interior. Matrix is uniform in the cartilage, but matrix is arranged in concentric circle in the bones. Cartilage is non-porous, but bones are porous. Canaliculli are absent in the cartilage, but Canaliculli are present in the bones. Fluid or vascular tissue. The tissue links the different part of the body and maintain continuity in the body. It includes blood and the lymph. It includes the blood and the lymph. Lymph, it is a colorless fluid. It is a colorless fluid having the plasma and WBC. Lymph escape out from the blood capillaries into the body tissues. It helps in the exchange of material between the tissues and the blood. Due to the presence of WBC, lymph protects the body against the infections. It forms the defense or immune system of the body.